If you want a resume that's clean, modern, and easy to edit without wrestling with layouts or weird formatting, you're in the right place. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to build a polished, job-ready resume directly in Google Docs using a free template from smashingdocs.com. The template I'm using today is clean, modern, and yes, ATS-friendly, so it's safe for online applications. Now, let's hop over to the main website. Smashing Docs is built for people who just want things to work. No signups, no software installs, no complicated editors, just clean, functional templates you can open instantly. From the homepage, go to the Resume Templates section. You'll find a whole collection of styles: minimal, bold, professional, creative, and layouts tailored for different careers. Pick the one that feels right for the role you're applying for. Once you choose a template, click Use this template, and then Make a copy, which creates your personal working file. Now, here's a tip that makes this whole process smoother. Prepare your resume text separately. Nothing fancy, even a basic note works. Here's an example. Having your info ready in plain text means you can focus on shaping the content instead of fighting formatting while you write. When you paste your information into the template, use Paste without formatting. Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or Command+Shift+V on Mac. This keeps the original design intact, and trust me, it saves you from spending 20 minutes fixing random spacing issues later. Okay, let's start personalizing it. Add your name up top and the job title you're aiming for. You can be specific here: customer support specialist, front-end developer, marketing coordinator. A clear headline helps set the tone instantly. Next, update your contact info. Keep it clean: email, phone, and maybe LinkedIn or a portfolio link. If your old email looks like it belongs to your teenage self, this is a good time to update it. Your summary comes next. Think of this like the opening scene in a movie: short, clear, and setting the direction. Who you are, what you do well, and what you're hoping to do next. That's all you need. For work experience, here's a trick. Instead of focusing on tasks, focus on transitions and improvements. What changed after you joined? What did you fix, create, launch, or streamline? Even small wins count. If you can measure it, great. If not, describe the impact. Numbers help, but clarity wins every time. Education is easy: degree, school, year. If you're a student or shifting careers, use this section to highlight relevant projects or coursework. For skills, pick things that actually matter for the job. A good mix might be a few technical tools you use, a couple of industry-specific strengths, and one or two people-focused skills. Short, sharp, and honest. If the template includes sections you don't need, maybe hobbies, awards, or references, feel free to delete them. And yes, the tiny notice at the bottom, just read it, and you can and should remove it once you're done editing. Before exporting, zoom out and look at the whole page. Does the spacing feel balanced? Are the section titles easy to skim? If someone glanced at this for 5 seconds, would they understand the important parts? That's exactly how recruiters read, so make it easy for them. Once everything feels polished, go to File, Download, PDF. PDF keeps the layout perfect when you upload it to job portals or send it by email. And that's it. A polished, easy-to-edit resume built in a few minutes using a free Google Docs template from Smashing Docs. If you want to try a different style or switch up the design later, all the templates are just a click away.